Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to IELTS Maximum by Dr. Hamza, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can speak fluently in IELTS speaking exam, because speaking module carries the same weightage of marks as compared to any other module. So without wasting any time, let's note down these tips which I'm going to share. First of all, speak calmly and smoothly. Listen to the native speaker and try to copy their pace of speech. It's very important, guys. It's hell important actually. Don't focus on the quality of your ideas, instead focus on the quality of your speaking. If you want them to listen to your quality of ideas, then you are not going to get any band score. You just need to focus on the quality of speaking, the kind of words, the kind of structure of the sentence you are using, and learn how to structure your answer. Practice this at home. Without practice, you cannot achieve your desired band score in any of the module, ladies and gentlemen. And don't focus on grammar and vocabulary. Practice speaking fluently by recording yourself, then fix your grammar and vocabulary mistake. First, this is a very important tip, ladies and gentlemen, because it's important that you guys really need to focus on this tip which I have given to you. And saying is okay. If you do it infrequently, it's fine. Everyone do it. Native English speakers do this too, so you don't need to get too much put emphasis on this thing that okay, if you keep on doing this, then at some point of time, then if you speak 10 sentences and you do it in 3 times, it's pretty okay. But if you continue to do it and you continue to make this sound, then this is not good. Obviously this is not a fluency of the English you are speaking. And last but not the least, don't get stressed. If you have practiced enough, you will do well. So in the end, I must say, you guys need to focus on what actually you guys are doing. Okay, if you have practiced well, if you have prepared well, if you have followed my channel and subscribed it, then you don't need to worry to achieve higher band score in your IELTS exam. So see you in the next video. I'll share more tips with you. So keep on subscribing my channel and do share it with your friends who are going to take the IELTS exam very soon. So love you all, take care, and remember one thing: practice. Bye bye.